Hush, let that mockingbird won't. And if that looking glass is broke, Mama's gonna. If that billy goat won't poop, if that garden won't, Mama's gonna buy you a horse. If that garden boat turns over, Mama's gonna buy you a dog named Rover. And if that dog named Rover won't bark, Mama's gonna buy you a horse and cart. That horse and cart goes down, you'll still be the sweetest baby in town.